Hi, my name is Nick from Ultracom Wireless, your U.S. Cellular Authorized Agent. Today I'm going to show you how to change the notification tone on your new Samsung Galaxy S2. From your home screen, press the menu button at the bottom left-hand corner, then select Settings. Next, select Sound Settings. Once in Sound Settings, select the notification ringtone. A list will pop up with all the available notification sounds. Swipe your finger to scroll through the list and tap on a notification sound you'd like to hear a preview for. Once you find the one you like, tap the OK button and the notification will be saved. You have now successfully changed the notification on your new Samsung Galaxy S2. Stay tuned for more videos from Ultracom Wireless, your U.S. Cellular Authorized Agent.